In this example, I am going to simplify two rational expressions. It's asking me to divide. Now, we have to recall that we cannot divide fractions, so we're going to start by changing this to a multiplication. So, we are going to keep the first fraction, and we're going to switch the sign to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Divided by x squared minus 16. Now we're going to simplify each part of the fraction by factoring. So we're going to start with top part. So that gives me x squared minus 6x plus a. Have to always ask myself if I do have a GCF. In this case, I don't. So I'm going to do, I have three terms, which is, I need to do a AC method. So I do 1 times 8 gives me 8. Factors of 8 that will multiply, that will add or subtract to 6, 2, and 4. So I'm going to rewrite my trinomial as a polynomial with 4 terms. X squared minus 6 plus 8. Let's rewrite it as x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now I have 4 terms, so I'm going to factor by grouping. These two have in common x minus 4. These two have in common a negative 2. X minus 4. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to rewrite this, and I have x minus 2 minus 2 x minus 4. And that's the answer for the first part on the top. Now let's work on the second, on the bottom. So on the bottom, right here, I have 2x squared plus 2x. So here, I will ask myself, do I have a GCF? In this case, I do. So the GCF is 2x. I put that out. I have x plus 2. X plus 1. After that, do I have anything else to do? No. So that's the answer for that bottom part. And now I'm going to work with the next top right here. With this side. So I have 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. I have no GCF. I have 3 terms, so I have to do AC method. 2 times 3 is 6. Factors of 6 that will add or subtract to 5, 2 and 3. Rewrite my trinomial as a polynomial with 4 terms. Now I'm going to do AC method. Grouping method. These two have in common an x. Pull out that x. I have 2x plus 3. Has in common a 1. 2x plus 3. Rewrite it. X plus 1. 2x plus 3. And that's the answer for that top part. Now let's do the answer for the bottom part. Right here. Let's make this a little bit smaller so we can fit it. So now I have x squared minus 16. I have no GCF. I have 2 terms, and this is the difference of perfect squares. So I write 2 sets of parentheses. X minus 4, x plus 4. Square root of x is x and x. Square root of 16 is 4 and 4. So now I have my 4 answers, and I can go back to my problem. Let's hope this is big enough, and rewrite it with all the answers that I have found. So for the top part, first one is this answer. So x minus 2, x minus 4. X minus 2, x minus 4. The bottom part is 2x, x plus 1. Times, the next section is x plus 1, 2x plus 3, right here. So let's go ahead and write that down. X plus 1, 2x plus 3. And the bottom in the last section is x minus 4, x plus 4. Now we're going to see what we can cross out. So x minus 4 is gone. X plus 1 is gone. Anything else we can cross out? No. So now let's rewrite, what we have left. So let's put it right here. Equals, on the top, x minus 2, 2x plus 3.